I bought this from TikTok shop and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So let's do it. Very excited for this actually. I have so many cameras, but I still think it would be nice to have it. And this is, I don't know if you can see that or not, this is the creator combo. So this is like a very cool package and it comes with a lot of things. So yeah, cool. It comes with a sticker and some guides that I know none of you want to read. Oh, it comes with a snack as well. Just kidding, don't eat it. And some other guide, the DJI guide code or whatever that is. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. You get these two packets. I'm gonna check this one first. Okay, oh, pretty cool. You get a very good quality power delivery cable, which is cool. And this is your protective cover. Look at this. Can't believe you can buy this stuff cheaply on TikTok shop. It costs like 500 euros everywhere. I bought this for like 460 euros, which is pretty cool. Okay, so first of all, we get a very nice DJI branded carrying pouch, which is really cool because this is very handy. If you travel, you want all your stuff in one bag. So that's cool. And the quality is actually pretty cool. So let's open this up and I will show you what we get in the box. Look at that. Okay, so there we go. First, of course, there you go. We have the DJI Osmo gimbal. That is pretty cool. And guys, I can tell you this much. This is like the best product, like the size and everything. I'm sure there are people way more expert than me who have reviewed this product and have loved this product. So yeah, there is no doubt that DJI have done an outstanding job on this. I wanted to buy the Osmo Pocket 4, but it's not coming out anytime soon. At least I don't know about it, so we'll see about that. Okay, so what else do we get? Okay, so this is the extra battery mount. Look at this. Awesome. And you get this mini tripod, which I think is going to be very, very useful. So very cool. Love it. So this is the handle with the 1/4 inch thread at the bottom. That is very, very cool. And you get this magnet. I guess this is the magnet for DJI mic. And now we're talking about mic. I was actually very excited for this because as you can see, I'm using the DJI mic mini M1. This is magnet. So yeah, it comes with that. This is your DJI mic 2. Guys, this looks very cool. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like this. I know this is small. This looks so good. Maybe it will make my video quality even better. I don't know. Anyway, and for that mic, of course, you get a dead cat as well, or muffler, whatever you want to call it. And then you have a wrist strap, which is cool. I almost forgot about this one. Yeah. Okay. The one I was actually wanted to try. So this is your 15mm wide angle lens attachment for the DJI. Okay, so it connects like this. Yeah, look at this. So this is your wide lens attachment. Gonna attach like this. There you go. Awesome. And I can just take this off. Oh, that is pretty cool. That makes quite a lot of difference. I was not expecting that. Yep, that's cool. So you get a bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yes, there you go. 10 and 11 and the cable. And I bought the memory card. I hope that works with this. There you go. This is the Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, so let's record a video on this as well. So there you go. I am using the gimbal right now. Oh, that is pretty wide angle actually. That's pretty cool. I like that. So, oh my god, that is so stable, dude. I'm not even using any attachment and look, this is already pretty cool. So, hey guys, there you go. I don't know if it's I'm looking weird or something. How's the focus? Oh, the focus is good. That is so cool. I guess this is how the audio sounds when I'm using the DJI mic 2 that they provided with this Osmo Pocket 3. I have enabled the 32-bit float rate to get a better quality. I guess this works very well with the Osmo Pocket 3, but if you want to use this as a standalone mic, you have to use this as a recording device only because I don't think it works very well like via Bluetooth on iPhone. But right now, as on DJI, I don't know, maybe it's working very well. So there you go guys, this is next level.